Welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How to Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can even email me. My email is in the description below. Today I will be showing you all how to set up a remote desktop connection to another computer that you normally don't have physical access to. This will let you access their computer and control it wirelessly through the internet. Today I'm going to be using my Mac, but like the title says, it doesn't really matter which operating system you want to use, as I will mention in a moment. The application that we're going to be using today is Teamviewer. This remote access and remote control software, first released in 2005, developed by Teamviewer AG. Until this day, believe it or not, it doesn't even require any registration and is free of charge. The software that it's also available in is Linux, Android, iOS, iPad OS, and Raspberry Pi. But the two most common ones is, of course, Windows and Mac. After all that, let's just see how the not the operating system, but the software itself looks like. So we're going to open up our browser first. And from here in the website bar, we're going to type in www.teamviewer.com. Hit enter. And I'll make this bigger. And from here, we will get this display after we hit enter. And then at the very top, we can either hit download, left click here, or we can hit download for free here. I'll click at the top. And then here, you can see all the different options that we have. So we got Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, Raspberry Pi, Android, and iOS. So mine is a Mac, and it normally gets it right all the time. So mine is a Mac. It will be already highlighted for you. And we will left click on download Teamviewer. We're going to let this download. Shouldn't take too long. And while we're waiting, I will just say again, please don't forget to subscribe. It helps me build my channel, and of course, lets me show you cool little videos like this. And of course, stay safe. And the great thing about this software is that you don't have to touch any settings or anything like that, which is fantastic. Okay, so we're going to open this guy up. It's going to verify for us. And we're going to left click on that. And are you sure you want to open? Open. And then we're going to agree. These are all the terms. You can read this on your own if you would like. That's fine. And then from here, we're going to hit continue and make sure that you have about 250 megabytes of space available on your computer. And we're going to click install, put your password in for your computer. And now we're going to wait for it to start, to download. It has successfully downloaded. X that, close this. We can move to trash because we don't need it anymore. And here we will be greeted with a message. How do you want to use Teamviewer? So if you're going to use commercial, you can use 14-day commercial trial. I want to use the free version for personal use. So if you're trying to connect to your grandma or grandpa or your dad, and you're just not at that physical location, then you can just use it for free. Or there's another option here that says I already have Teamviewer subscription to use a commercial version. 9 times out of 10, you will end up using, I want to use the free version for personal use. So we will click that guy and then left click on continue. And then setup is complete, and then we can left click on finish, and then it will come up. And I will just leave this out. And then here is the main section on all your information. Don't worry, the password and ID you normally change all the time. So if you exit and then go back in, then it'll change. So don't have to worry about anybody, hacking your computer or anything and taking all your data. It regularly changes, so that's a great feature. And yeah, and just a basic run through of the software. Make this bigger. There's a meeting section that you can start a meeting and then give it to whoever you want in the meeting. You can give the meeting ID and password. I believe there is one as well. Computers and contacts. There's even a chat function, but you'll have to sign in for that. And then there's also remote assistance as well. And that's basically it. It's a great little, software tool, especially if you're in a hurry and you don't have time to play around with settings. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks guys for watching. Like always, I'm How to Tech Tips. Keep teching on.